Found a little bird and she's injured. I'm gonna try to feed her. I think her wing might be broken. Unfortunately, we're very far from anywhere, so I'm gonna do my best. I'll keep you posted. Go.
Open.
Why won't he open?
Did you open before?
He just opens sometimes. Maybe just scared. Scared right now. No, it has to be with tweezers.
That's what they said?
Yeah. There we go, there we go. It's not regurgitated though. We have to squish it more. Oh, he got it.
Yeah.
He got it. He got it. Come on, buddy. You won't go in the plate, honey. Just use the tweezers, yeah. Yay! There we go. Come on. Oh my God, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen. You poor thing. And Mom wasn't around, eh? Did it look like it fell out of its nest?
Yeah, he's flying in the bottom of the property by himself. Aww. And City almost got him. I had to yell at her. He looks tired.
That's you. When I spread the you see a little piece right there. I think it's broken, right? There's a little white piece that's exposed. Yeah. I heard about stickers for wings.
Oh yeah, but it's just one feather. That's fine.
You see that white? Right there?
Yeah, but that's fine.
Well, that's what it looks like, though.
I think he doesn't know how to fly yet.
Belly full there, little guy. You can have a little sleep. We'll see you later.
Okay.
Good job. Come on.
These pieces are too small, I think.
Oh, he's full now. Is your belly full now? Is your belly full now? Okay. Oh, he likes that one. He really liked that one. Oh, good job. So that one is, you want to feed him protein. Whoa.
Okay, last one.
Yeah, and then we're going to try and put him back where we found him, up on a tree. We're going to check him out for a good hour.
Okay, if he can't fly, how is she going to bring him back? Right? That's all we can do. Now we wait, see if the mother's coming.
Okay, so we're going to wait about an hour for for the mum. I'll back away. But he's just kind of hanging out. So let's pray that mum comes back.